That girl is crazy. Yes.
I know Ihlanya, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm
She's so
laughing
crazy.
at that, and
Yeah.
I give her a hug. And then fine. Continue ignoring her, right? And then now we're in the jacuzzi.
In the jacuzzi. She was tranquil up, I'm sure.
And then she's like, "Oh, I don't like you." Oh, Jesus. Iyashanya, Uthandeka.
Yeah, Thandeka's crazy, man.
I don't like you. Oh, no, I'd like you. But I don't know what she was saying. She was talking about like and I don't, and I like, but I like you, but I don't like you. And you're my enemy in this house, blah, 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 blah. Open one Nikki hug. I'm just like, okay, it's fine. You know, now I'm also feeling happy because I drank yesterday for the first time in so.
I think that finally Liema is starting to understand Uthandeka, you know, that Uthandeka is in her own world. Well, here she was explaining what happened because Uthandeka was drunk and they were having a party, and she was like, she's so crazy why she was laughing, and she was like, we were in the pool and she was like, you know what, when I don't like you, you know, and like she's crazy. And they said they talked it out, you know, that conversation that I posted about, and she said that she has a problem with Thandeka because of Uthandeka is forcing people her opinions on people. And Uthandeka was like, what I don't like about you is you inserting yourself in people's businesses. And Uliema is saying, I will protect. One thing about me, I will protect. She was saying that she made an example of how, you know, bouncers will have to like pick her up and throw her out of the club because she's protecting and defending her friends, you know. And as much as I think that is cool, I feel like there's going to be a friend who's going to make her regret doing that. That's just my opinion. We are adults, guys. We are no longer kids. I will protect also when it's due. But there are friends out there who will sell you out and you will never repeat fighting for someone in your life. I'm telling you. But anyway, that's how she goes about her life and it's working for her. And I guess it's also, she's doing the same thing also in the Big Brother house. But again, as long as they are cool and they're okay, I think that's what matters. And I feel like they need to understand that girl is crazy. That girl, and she talks so much. She's crazy. But I like that Liema honestly finds humor in this. And she's okay, man. She's chilling. She's alright. She's alright.